Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check your credit score for free on SoFi. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom tab, we have the Discover, where we are at the very moment. We have the Watch List, we have the Account, the Invest, Orders, and in the bottom right corner, the last one is the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check your credit score for free on SoFi. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So you can check your credit score for free on SoFi by following these steps. If you don't already have a SoFi account, of course, you need to go and sign up, as I already told you. Once logged in, go to the credit score monitoring section. This feature is often found under Financial Tool or Insights. Then follow the prompts to activate free credit score monitoring. SoFi uses the TransUnion Vintage Score 3.0 module, which updates weekly. After activation, you can view your credit score and receive weekly updates. This service includes insights into the factors affecting your score and tips on how to improve it. Checking your credit score through the SoFi is a soft inquiry, so it won't impact your score. If you have any specific questions, you need some further assistance, of course, you can go and contact their support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye guys.